Well, my North Trampoline finally came in. It is under this tarp, and it's a lot of stuff, obviously, because it's a gigantic, massive, huge, awesome trampoline that I'm gonna put together right out there somewhere. Brandon is on his way to help. My stepsister Maddie will be helping, and then a couple other friends might come help. I think Millie's still in here. Look at that. That was a wild Millie in her natural habitat. She just got over having COVID, so she's been locked up in that room for a long time. Anyway, trampoline's gonna go over here somewhere. It's gonna take a long time to build, and I hope we have enough daylight for it, because it's already like 2 o'clock, and the trampoline is gonna take a long time to build, and yeah, tomorrow it's supposed to snow, so we need to get this done now. Also, I'm sure that a lot of you guys know this, and I'm sure a lot of you don't, but I am a North ambassador, so like I do some work with them. They're an awesome, super cool company, one of my favorite trampolines ever, and so they sent me one here, and I think I'm gonna have to check on it, because I don't know if I am now, but I'm pretty sure I'm the only person in North America with a North Trampoline. So pretty awesome. It'll be here in Port Huron, Michigan, in my mom's backyard for me and Braden and all my friends to train on. Well, my mom and stepdad weren't lying when they said that the boxes got kind of damaged on their way over here from Sweden. It was stuck in customs for a long time, and so stuck in customs in Detroit for a while, and the boxes got kind of destroyed, I guess. But that's okay, because the trampoline looks nice and intact. Time to set it up. Handy dandy helper number 1. Stop. Madison Brooks. That's heavy. I need to help you. All right, got to move some of this stuff first. I was gonna say junk, but this hammock's actually really nice. But that's junk. Bye-bye. All right, this is the mat to the North Performer Revolution. Well, it's kind of hard to tell how big it is right now, because it's just like laying here, but if I like laid down next to it, you'd see it's gigantic. This thing is awesome, and yep, I'm pumped. All right, Braden's helping too, so now I have 2 helpers, Maddie and Braden.
Wait, let me.
All right, here, Bray, you can take this box.
This one?
Yep, and that one if you can grab both.
I can grab both. Oh.
Is it?
I need to take it out to the garbage here.
Then go and take it out to the garbage. The next helper's here. Hi, Brandon.
Hi.
All right. Training manual. Nice. You want some stickers?
Some stickies? I'll take one. Yeah. Revolution.
Yes.
Oh.
Perfect. All right. Pads for the side, the bed, the net still needs to be unraveled, but time to get to work. All right, so we don't have a hammer. I guess a hammer is required, but it'd have to be like a padded mallet, because we don't want to bend the metal. So
yeah, this hoe ain't working. No.
You need a new hoe.
No,
you need a new hoe.
Even the back end of her doesn't get it done.
Oh, it's going.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, yo, that's what I get for talking.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey.
All right. That's a good hoe. Okay, so we got the frame, and now time to put the bed on. Now, cool thing about this trampoline is that it has like 3 different settings you can do on how bouncy the trampoline will be, or like how loose the trampoline bed will be, which is pretty dope. For me, I would not use any of these little springs because I'm super heavy, but since Braden and like the kids will be jumping on it as well, should probably go like that midway point. So maybe like put 50 of the little 50 little guys on there.
Yeah.
All right. Progress. We're almost done with this part, and then the net.
Who's gonna get up there?
Let's let them not experience it.
That's dope.
Yeah.
That's dope. Look at that. Look at our progress. For whatever this is for, we got it on here.
Yeah, it's on there.
I don't remember what it's for, but we're about to find out. I already gave it a little test jump. Perfectly bouncy. I love it. Now comes the pad and the net.
Yeah.
All right, so pretty much done. We don't have like any daylight left, honestly. It's about to be dark soon. Don't mind how trashy this back of the house looks right now. We need a lot of cleaning to do, but I'm gonna put this stuff on top of it and do the net tomorrow just because we don't have any time. So that'll be it for today.
Oh wow, this thing works. Holy crap. Dang.
It's nice.
Heck yeah.
It's quiet too.
I'm a big fan of quiet, yeah.
Another day, another double lay.
Hey. Wow. That works.
Well, a little update. It is now 2 days later from when we set it up. But with all the snow and everything, it has made it pretty difficult. So the trampoline's back there. And I'm debating whether or not to go and jump on it because it is, I mean, it's not too cold and it'll be just as warm tomorrow. So I might do it tomorrow instead because hopefully some of the snow will have melted. Otherwise, I have to go and like find a push broom and get all the snow off of it to jump on it today. So maybe tomorrow. It is still pretty cold and rainy and like snowy and stuff, but most of the snow is gone. So I am going to jump for a little while. Probably still not going to put the net up just yet because it makes it easier if I can like put this tarp over it without a net. I feel like having the net on it will make it a little bit harder to properly cover the trampoline. And actually, I'm gonna have to get a bigger tarp anyway because this one doesn't really fit. I need to try to get this tarp off without getting the trampoline all wet. Dang it. So I did my best to protect the trampoline with the tarp from the snow. And I mean, I did a pretty good job. It's kind of wet, but like for the most part, not much got on the actual trampoline. And the main reason I had the tarp over it also is because I had all these extra pieces for the net on top of the bed of the trampoline, but I'm probably gonna get a separate tarp, cover that junk, well not junk, cover that stuff for the trampoline, and then get a bigger tarp to fit over this gigantic thing. Now I need to figure out what to do to get all this water off so that I can actually jump on it for a little bit because it's about to start snowing again and I just wanna jump on it and stuff before it's the point of no return and it's like mega winter here in Michigan. All right, finished drying off the trampoline for the most part. Still some little ice chunks on here, but we'll have some fun. What are you doing? All right, Braden gets to test it. I also have not zipped this yet, which will make the trampoline a little bit bigger, but you like it?
Hey, what if I do?
Show me a flip. Okay, or cartwheel. Show me a flip.
Hey.
Okay, round off. Now let me see a flip. Do a front flip.
Front flip.
Yep.
I'm kind of scared to do the jumping and the front flips that won't.
Why? You used to do them all the time. Let me see a front flip. Go.
I can't do it because there's a net and there's no net and I'm scared.
See, that's good. That's how it should be. The nets are important for safety, but I just have not put it up yet. Got my TikTok socks on. I normally don't jump in socks. Woo! Oh, you're scared? Oh no!
You scared me.
I don't want.
Now you're gonna have to carry me up again. Oh my god. You scared me because I thought you were gonna kick me. And then I fell.
That's fun.
I could do, if I was on the trampoline, I could do.
Try cartwheel with no hands.
No hands?
Yeah.
I can't.
Try it. That's a good try. You know what a cartwheel with no hands is called?
What?
Aerial. Can you say aerial?
Ariel?
Aerial. Yeah. Aerial.
Oh. What doing the?
All right, my turn. Oh, I need to learn Cody's again. What's the Cody? Come here. So, you told me to do a Cody, but you don't know what a Cody is.
What? I said you need to know.
What is it? It's a backflip off of your belly. Yeah.
Oh.
It's hard to do. Well,
I kind of know how to do
it's more of a basic skill actually. It's just really hard for me to do. Alrighty, well, absolutely love the trampoline. Do you like it? Yes.
Give it a 10. 10.
He gives it out of 10. That's what he says. Out of 10 means 10 out of 10. I love it, but I need to get the net up and I need to figure out what to do. I think I messed up with the with this netting because it doesn't align with this zipper, but that's actually that's my fault. I just put the pad on the wrong way, I think. No, I don't think you can, but that's okay. I'll figure it out. But anyway, absolutely love this trampoline. I'm so pumped that it's here and that you get to finally train on it and we can both get some good training in when I'm home. This is the first nice trampoline I've ever had in my life. We used to have one in the backyard and it was from Walmart or something. Trash. But this one's great. I absolutely love it. And he's gonna love it. Well, he does love it. My nephews and then all my tricking friends and stuff are gonna come over here and train, and a couple of them have already jumped on it and they love it. So yeah, this is awesome.
Peace out.
Peace out what?
I said, peace out.
Come over here and say it.
Peace out.